Courtney Van Orde eating macaroni and cheese. I'm sorry. Do I look red? Do I look red?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. Why? I like recording. Now do something stupid. That's not stupid. That's eating. That's the natural habit. Yeah. You got macaroni and cheese all over your face. Is that all you're gonna eat?
Yes.
Why'd you make it?
You're bothering me.
I'm hungry.
No. Oh my god, I told you like 20 minutes ago to go eat.
I did eat. I ate Reese's and Whoppers and what else did I eat? A Kit Kat. No, what did I eat? What did I just eat like 2 seconds? Oh yeah, Hershey's bar. Because I am a bitch. Okay. Harry Plopper. I was holding it backwards.
You shoot me and I believe so slowly. What the hell are you doing?
That's for hitting me in the eye earlier. Let me do it again for the camera.
Once more, please.
Oh snap! And look, it fell off before I got there. But here's macaroni and cheese. Goodbye. Oh, you want to see how raining it is outside?
Give me the camera for a second.
Not at all. Actually, it is raining.
Give me the camera for a second. Give me the camera.
This is the retard in their native habitat.
Hold on.
Record this. And now,
Spider Pig.
Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does. Oh yeah! Oh no! Spider Pig died. Now go and sit on the bed. Yes, it is. Sit. Sit on the bed. And behold, I'm about to do something really.